how I get buyers traffic with TikTok affiliate marketing and ClickBank. So in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step behind the scenes how you can deploy these affiliate campaigns in 2026 by yourself, okay, and start having $250, $500, even $1,000 plus days. Okay, so as you can see here on my screen, right, I have had 629,000 video views, and if I click here, 11,000 profile views, 58,000 likes, and if I go over here, 2,800 comments. Now, why engagement matters on TikTok? If you follow TikTok Shop, okay, you see that people are already in mindset of buying products. It's mostly e-commerce, physical products, but you also have some info digital products. Now, with ClickBank affiliate marketing, the beauty is that you can go, let me show you over here, right? Click here. You can see on ClickBank, right? You can go over here and you can choose products that you want to promote. Now, I know every single guru is telling you choose product with great gravity, which is a lie. Why? Because gravity doesn't tell you anything. Yes, gravity tells you how many people are making money or sales, but you don't know what is the real traffic source. Mostly it's email marketing. Okay, people with years of gathering different lists in niches like dating, relationships, weight loss. Okay, so what we are doing with direct response marketing, we are going straight after the sale. So we're not doing any email marketing in this case. We are running, for example, Google ads, or in this case, TikTok ads, and also getting free TikTok traffic. How? Let me show you over here, right? So first of all, what I do is I choose product based on audience awareness levels, meaning are they high emotional state, low emotional state audiences, are they product aware or totally unaware? This matters because you need to have the right message to the market match. Okay, if your level of congruency is wrong, is mismatch. So you won't get any money, you won't get any sales, no matter how much money you throw on ads. Okay, this is very important thing. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so if I go over here, you can see, right? The first thing what we do is we're actually sending traffic to landing page, to our quiz funnel from Google ads, Facebook ads, and also TikTok in this case. So with TikTok, it's all about buyers intent awareness. Okay, we're looking for buyers clicks. All right, so you can see some of my clients here, my students, right? She went from $0 to $31,000 per month, and English is her second language. So basically, English is her second language because she's from Europe, from Spain. Another person over here, okay? And okay, over here you can see with ClickBank affiliate marketing, it can allow you to start having real results. I have traveled to almost 70 countries now. Yes, 70 countries thanks to being super affiliated with ClickBank, with other affiliate CPA networks. And the most important thing is once you install this method, or this system in 2026, it will finally naturally allow you to start having real daily results. Okay? Deposit to your bank account. That's the most important thing, because as you can see over here, let me show you with TikTok, right? When you have the right engagement, algorithm will push out your videos. Now again, you don't make your videos. This is faceless channel, meaning without your face. Okay? And the best thing is it's like SEO, Google SEO and TikTok SEO, meaning once you have the video there, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or a year from now, people can still buy from the same video because the algorithm will position it on the right way. Of course, if you do it correctly. That's why you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you and giving you the exact methodology and framework that will allow you to finally get results. Okay, as you can see over here, if I go here, you can see 500 shares, meaning people are loving the content, they are sharing the videos. It's free traffic. Okay, organic ads, free traffic. All right, so you can see this is very important. 58,000 likes. All right, real human beings, 2,800, almost 3,000 comments, and 11,000 profile views. Now you don't have to go viral. What you need is the right type of audience, the right type of eyeballs that go straight to your BSL, to your landing page, advertorial, blog page. Click on the link to your affiliate ClickBank link, and once you get sales, you get it. Also the rest of the upsells. So there are also upsells included. So you can make $500 per day just from one person on ClickBank. Okay, and it can allow you to get really great results. Now, as you watch this video, if you actually want to have results, you can connect with me one-on-one. Okay, over here you can connect with me one-on-one, but only as long as you're serious, you have some money to invest in yourself, and you're an action taker. Because we don't need excuse makers, the people who are procrastinating. Okay, because 30 days from now or 15 days from now, you could already refresh your dashboard and start having $500, $300 days. As simple as that. But you have to be action taker, not excuse maker. Okay, you have to invest in yourself to finally get results in 2026, and it will allow you to have these kind of results. Now again, thank you for watching this video. There's my email and WhatsApp number in the description below, where you can connect with me one-on-one.